What's up, everybody? I got a green pepper, I got some cereal and some milk and a spoon and a knife, and I'm gonna turn this into a bowl to eat this cereal out of, alright? Welcome back to Scrap's Weird Food Combinations. This is episode number 19. We're gonna start off by taking the top off of our soon-to-be bowl. Shout out to my mama. She sent me a picture of a meme, I should say, of somebody doing this, and that's where I got the idea from. I don't want none of that good stuff though. Get this kind of hollowed out a little bit. Gotta have more room for cereal and milk, you know? That's all that's important. All this extra stuff. Ah, in my eye. Woo! Hey, I was sleeping anyways, wasn't I? But yeah, let me know below. What kind of weird food combination should I do next? Always looking for something exciting and challenging. What's the worst you can do? Don't hold back. So there's the bowl, right? All right. Look how beautiful it is, guys. You guys see how magnificent this looks? Doesn't it just look crazy? Let's get a pose for the thumbnail. Let's add some milk to this concoction. It's one thing to talk about it, it's another thing to be about it. Woo-wee! This is so pretty, guys. Wish I had a better angle. Got the milk and the cereal, and we're eating it out of a green pepper. A green pepper! I'm scared, I ain't gonna lie. Let's get into this. Alright. Yeah, the milk tastes weird already. But it's not that bad. It's kind of like the milk has a unique, refreshing difference about it. Like, it's not that bad of an idea, guys. I thought I was surely gonna puke in this video. That's the only reason I decided to do it. I was like, what's gonna make me puke? Oh yeah, that'll work. It's really not that bad though. Really isn't. Man, let me know, what's the weirdest food combination that you like to do at home? Like, you like peanut butter and pickle sandwiches?
I have my flashlight too.
Because the flashlight is part of this concoction of magnificent stupidio. So I looked all over YouTube and I couldn't find nobody with a video doing this. So if you know of another video like this, please comment that below because I want to check it out. I think I might be the first one. Y'all have a great night. It's Scrap.